So before you start applying for your Canada visa, you will need some specific document which I have listed here. So the passport, yeah, you need to have it at hand. The digital photo of applicant, the font, proof of font. However, I will advise you to always upload your own pay stub here in Canada and your bank statement here in Canada, since you will be the one inviting your parents, your siblings, your mother, marriage certificate. So it will be needed because they will ask you if your mother is married or something like that. However, you need to upload your marriage certificate. If your mom, your father does, if your parent don't have, you can also upload like a photo of marriage or something like that, or a proof that they're married. So employment letter. So you need to upload your own employment letter here in Canada on the section. And also you need to, if they're coming for the purpose of coming over to take care of your new baby, you need to get an EDD letter from your family doctor here in Canada, or a birth certificate of your newborn baby in Canada. Next is the invitation letter. You need to write an invitation letter. This is a sample of what I use for my mother, my father-in-law, and my mother-in-law, three of them. Over here, if you need it, I can send it over to you. So next is the cost of the visa. The cost of visa application is $100, and the biometric per person is $85 Canadian dollars. For the EDD letter, my own case, our doctor collected $20 from us, so yours might be free. Depends. So let's dive into the visa application. Just go. I will share the link below. Go to this page and apply for Canada visitors visa. Once you go onto this page, you will go to how to apply. It will take you to this page, and so they will ask you this question: prepare document and apply. Why are you applying for visitors visa? Of course, for family visit. What is your family member status? In our case, when I was applying for my family, we are Canadian permanent resident. So for the purpose of this video, let's just use this. So do you plan to visit your children or grandchildren for more than 6 months? In this case, just say no. Later, you can extend your the visa, change it to super visa, or extend it. I will do another video showing how to extend your visitor's visa in Canada. So go to this page. In this page, you need to register. But to make it fast, all what you need to register is your email and your name. But let's just move forward. I've already registered. But so let's now dive into the video. Now all this you just need to accept, read and accept. Once you read and accept, now the next thing is for you to do is start an application. Apply to Visit Canada temporary, resident. The next stage is this. So you read all this and also acknowledge and start your application. Do you want to apply for more than one person at the same time? In my case, when I was applying, I applied for 3 people: my mother, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law. But for the purpose of this video, let's just use one person. We're applying for one person. So I want to apply for what? A visitor's visa. Remember, you're the one applying for a parent, so you're answering the question for your parent. So what do you need? Why do you need a visa? In this case, I will just go directly to the point. So visit my grandparent, grandchild, siblings. So just click on this and tell us more about what you need to do in Canada. So you just tell them let's just say, okay, I am coming to take care of my son newborn baby from December 1st, 2024 to May 31st, 2025. So I think this is 6 months exactly. So always ensure that it is within that 6 months. Now when will you enter Canada? Remember, we put the December 1st, right? As our first. So when do you want to leave? So May 25. This calculation might be wrong, but from my calculation now, it's exactly 6 months. So always ensure that it's exactly 6 months or below, no more than 6 months. Okay. So now save and continue. Now it will show you all the document. The first document I show you in the beginning of this video as the document needed. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? Just say no. You're applying. Your parent is applying, but you're applying. But you don't need to say no. Just save and continue. Now, what is the name of your mother? Let's say our mother is Joseph. It is a common name. And given name of our mother, let's say our mother is Mary. So when did we give birth to our mother? Let's say 19. That is a common name. It's simple year, which is 1960. Let's use October. Let's use 1st. So gender, our mother is female. Let's save and continue. Now, what document are you traveling with? Yeah, passport, of course. So what kind of document? If your mother is a senator or president, you can use diploma. But in this case, our mother Mary is a normal citizen, regular citizen. So which will NGA, okay, Nigeria. Yeah, NGA, Nigeria is NGA. So what's the nationality of your passport? Of course, Nigeria. Just want to be fast not to waste the time of video. What's your passport number? Let's just put in number 123. You confirm the passport number. 123. So this issue, always ensure that your passport expiry date is more than 6 months. because of the stamping. So our expiring days will be longer than May 2025. Let's just say 2026 will be expiring 2026. Are you a local Canadian permanent resident? No, you are just coming for visiting. Have you had a Canadian visitor visa? Our mother is just coming first time. Do you currently hold a valid US? No. Are you traveling to Canada by air? Sure. We're not traveling by water. Oh my God. Okay, country origin, where you are born? Yeah, Nigeria. Our mother Mary is born in Nigeria. So let's look for Nigeria. What city? Let's use a common name. City name. Let's use Lagos. Lagos. Ikeja. Are you citizen of mother? No. Our mother is just from Nigeria. Which country authority are you citizen of? Yeah, Nigeria, of course. So in this case, I am a citizen of this country authority since. But once you click on this, it will automatically bring the dates of birth. Remember, we put 1960 for our mother, October 1st, right? So you can see. So you save and continue. So do you have a valid national identity document? Yes, we do. Nigeria have NIN number. You can. So your NIN number is always at the front data page of your passport. So yes, let's just say yes. So do you ask for the number? Let's just put the random number for the sake of this video. So what date was the issue? Just which was issued in 2022, April. So select this country, of course, it's Nigeria. So let's save and continue. So have you used another name in past? No. So what's your residence? Country of residence. Select the country of territory. So you currently live is Nigeria. Street. Let us put Abuja Street. Okay. So postal code. Is your mailing address same? Yes, of course. Now, this is a country of territory. List your country or territory of residence, then add all other country or territories where you have lived. So it is important that you put the place, your current address in Nigeria. So let's put our address. What's your status? Citizen. From what? So remember, from when they gave birth to you. From when they gave birth to you. So to our mother Mary, right? So let's look for 1960, October 1st. And for this video purpose, this is where I currently live. So yeah, our mother Mary is living in Nigeria, so there's no need to put any other country. Now, do we already have your fingerprint? No, of course our mother is just traveling first time. So this is where. So who is inviting you now? I am inviting our mother Mary. So all we need to do, I have same surname with our mother Mary, so we are putting Joseph. Give name, first name. Let's just say my first name is relationship, family member, mailing address, and so Canada. So you need to put your own Canada address. Remember, you're applying for your mother. You need to put your own home address in Canada, resident number. You need to put Canada or US, your phone number. So let's just say so I put my own personal address because I'm applying from Canada here. So has someone else also inviting you? No, just your son. How much? So in this case, your son, I will be accommodating my mother and I'm feeding my mother. So how much do you have to stay in Canada? In this case, let's just say our mother have 500 per day times 6 months, which will be 3,000 Canadian dollars, 2 times 530. Yeah, Canadian dollars. Is someone else giving? Yes. So in this case, you just put yes. Now they will now ask you, please provide details. So in this case, let's just go. This is exactly what I use. Say, yes, my son will be providing financial support for my stay in Canada. He will be accommodating me in his own. Of course, you're taking care of my children, my daughter, or my baby. So you stay in my place. So you just put it here, then save and continue. So what next? Now, in this case, please, I will advise you to avoid any long story. Your mother and father is old already. They don't want to be bringing out document certificate or secondary school or primary school certificate. Just say no. Military, they are not. Just say no. Avoid anything. Their own age is analog. They don't put document on cloud or soft copy. They only have hard copy. So now the next thing is give details of work experience or activities. In this case, our mother is old. All what you need, just put our advice strategy. Retired. You don't want to be bringing any document. Since when did they retire? Let's say because they are born in 1960. Let's say they retired in 2014 March. Ongoing, they're still retired now. So let's just put retired. Address. No, Nigeria. No, let's put our address. Let's say Tinubu Street. Okay, we put it in it. Then we save it. Since it's retired, we don't need to read a long story again. Then we continue. Now, during the past 5 years, have you traveled to a country? Our mother is just traveling. I've been in Nigeria. So to cut long story short, let's continue. Have you ever stayed in Canada beyond? No, our mother is just traveling to Canada. Have you ever? No. Have you ever committed any crime? No. Our mother is a faithful mother. Have you ever been arrested? No. Our mother is the mother of Jesus Mary. Have you ever been charged of any? No. Have you ever been convicted of criminal? No. No, 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 no. Have you ever? No, no, no. Just say no. Just say no. Have you had a medical exam performed? No. Our mother is driving first time, so no. In the last 2 years, were you living with a no? In the last 5 years, have you been in close contact with a person with tuberculosis? No. Are you currently receiving the treatment? No. Have you had drug? No. Have you mental health condition? No. Have you ever diagnosed with? No. What is your marriage status? So, if my own mother was a widow, but my in-law was married, so even if you put your widow, they will still ask for the date of marriage, but no marriage certificate. But in this case, say our mother Joseph is married. So when did they get married? She was married in 1960, right? So let's say she got married in 1980. Yeah, on January 1st, New Year Day. So what's the son name of her marriage? She got married to Daddy Joseph. So Paul. Okay, first name of her father is Paul. So our mother is 1960. So our father Daddy Joseph should be 1958, 2 years older than Mom Joseph. So October 1st. Country of residence of birth, of course, it's Nigeria. President question retired. No long story. Court long story. Is the same as your mother? Yes. With your spouse or common law, if your father-in-law or father will be following your mother, say yes. But in this case, we are the only person commits the mother, so no. Do you have any biological? Yes, of course. So then you now put your own self. So my name, Joseph. Color. Okay. So date of birth, let's say our mother Joseph gave back to me in 1994, month, August, 12. Okay, relationship, son. Country of residence, Canada. Does this child have same address with you? No, of course. So, territory, Canada. Start applying. Okay, so in this way, we put your home address. Remember, you have it. So, if this child is not in Canada, will he be accompanied? No, of course, he's in Canada. So, he still will not be accompanying you. No. Okay, so we've put fathered. Then, right, if you are adopted. So, let's start. In this case, now, your parent, your mother parents, which is your grandparent, you need to put their information here. So, let's say if it is from your own father's side, so definitely your father, your grandparent, your grandfather name is Joseph. Then, your first name is Paul. So relationship is father. So that's father of mother Joseph. But so they gave birth to her grandparents 1900. Remember? Yes, person that the parent disease is 1900 is disease. If your case, yeah, in this case 1900 already dead. Okay. Spirit was after they gave birth to mother. Yeah. That's 7 years after they gave birth to mother. So current Nigeria. Country of 30 Nigeria. Then you save. Then you had the mother also. But in this case, to save time, just save and continue. What is your native language? Okay, our mother, let's say our mother Igbo language. So can you communicate in English? Of course. Because you'll be the intermediary between them and your mother. So yes, of course, English. What language do you want us to? Yes, English. But if you understand French, you can put French. So email address. So I would advise you to put your own email address, not your mother or any other person, because every information you get, you will send them to go and do it. So caller at gmail.com. Caller at gmail.com. So then save and continue. Now, the telephone number of the applicant. So in this case, hold on. You put your mother phone number. It's not that is because they might want to need it for biometric. Save. Then continue. So in this, we show you a summary of all the information. You can go through it and edit to save time. Let's move on. So okay, so now coming over here, you see what I need. National identity number, national identity number, passport, proof of fund. National identity, you just upload your NIM number or document. Here, your passport data page, scan and upload. Proof of fund, match your bank statement with your desktop and upload on this page. This consent permission, not it's optional. Employment letter, and upload your own employment letter for you or you and your husband. You can match you and your husband or your own alone and upload. Additional document. Now, here you have to upload your PR card or passport, work permit or whatsoever. Your EDD letter you got from your family doctor. Remember the first time I was talking about that. Match it And also, if you don't have that, you can also upload your baby birth certificate to show that your baby is a new baby. Yeah. So then you can move forward without uploading document here. So let's just upload any document for uploading sake. So then you move forward. Once you move forward this page, now do you consent? Yes, sure. So now put your name. What's the name of our mother? Put your mother's name or Mother Mary. Your mother's name here. Then save and continue. So in this place, show you how much you're paying. Our mother visitors visa biometric. So you just pay it directly. But then your mother don't have to pay for biometric back then in Nigeria. Again, so there and continue. Then you make a payment. And that was. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube.